Welcome to the guide on invoicing and collecting payments using ServiceTitan, a vital tool for your business. First, let's set up your ServiceTitan account for billing by ensuring key configurations are in place. Now, we'll walk through the step-by-step process to create an invoice in ServiceTitan. Customization is key. Let's add your company branding, terms, and specific line items to your invoices. When reviewing and sending invoices, follow these best practices for effective communication. ServiceTitan supports multiple payment collection options. Let's explore these methods to find the best fit for you. Keeping track of payment statuses is crucial. Here's how to monitor outstanding and paid invoices. Disputes or payment issues can arise. Let's look at some tips for resolving these problems efficiently. Using ServiceTitan, you can generate billing reports to analyze your invoicing efficiency. Here's how. For more information and support on billing with ServiceTitan, be sure to check out these resources. Thank you for watching.